everybody, it's me again, Rama, your baking specialist. So how's everybody? Still doing okay? I'm doing fine too, okay? Stay at home most of the time. That's the best way to beat the COVID pandemic, okay? Don't go out if you need to, alright? Being staying at home for so long, or work from home that I could say, I actually missed having my favorite chicken pie. Does any one of you like me whose favorite chicken pie but you can't have it now because of the pandemic and you just can't go out? Well, not to worry. I will be showing you a shortcut way of having the creamiest chicken pie ever. How easy. We are gonna use a store-bought puff pastry where you can actually get it at your local supermarket, but in this case I'm gonna use the instant prata pastry where you can also get it at the local supermarket, and a homemade cream of chicken filling. Alright, and oh, before I go on with the steps and the recipe, let me tell you, the filling is, oh my gosh, it's so good. Make sure you have the chicken pie all to yourself, okay? Don't share, trust me, don't share. Alright, so come, I'll show you how to do it. How is it? Simple, right? Now you can have your own chicken pie at home. Okay, just a few tips and reminder. Okay, to prevent a soggy base, okay, it's best to blind bake your puff pastry first. Okay, just remember to line your dish with a puff pastry, prick with a fork, line it up with a cling wrap, and then you fill in with the beans. You can use any dried beans, you can use a black beans or an uncooked rice. Okay, then after that you just bake in the oven for 10 minutes. 10 minutes will be enough. Okay, after that you just take it out, the beans, and then you bake it again. Fully bake the pastry, the base pastry, for another 15 minutes. Okay, this is to prevent your base from being soggy. Okay, so see ya, bye bye. Oh, before I forgot, come back. Okay, if you have any requests or any of the recipe that you want me to feature in our next series, do not hesitate to write your feedbacks or your request in our email address here at contact@legendsforcanning park. Okay, I will try to accede to your request. All right, baking request. Okay, until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.